This morning we are in Vondel Park in Amsterdam. We took our bikes from Black Bikes, which you will see a couple of branches. We cycled all the way from the canals. It's only 15 minutes or so. And got such cute bikes. I'm gonna be cycling through the park. It's very pretty. Parking our bikes now. Such a nice winter day. I like my bike. To lock your bike, you have to put that lever down, take the key out, and then hold this. Yes, I've already done that. This is a usual key, so it's easy. Now we're gonna go into this country, Amsterdam, to have some traditional Dutch food. Waiting for our food. They reserved us the best table by the window. Has lots of.
I can show them around.
Yeah.
There are lots of Dutch stuff on the walls.
These are our starters. These are vegetarian. These are beef. And what are they called?
Bitterball.
Traditional
Bitterball.
large food. Do you want to try and tell us how it looks like, how it tastes like?
Should I try it with my hand or let's first
However you want.
see the inside? So it's called croquettes, right? Normally.
Yeah, it's very crispy. Maybe you should just eat it. Oh, it looks nice. Very creamy.
I'll just try it with my hand to be honest.
Put it in the sauce. Nice.
There's some mustard sauce.
Make it a little bit warmer.
Does it hit you?
It's almost like the almost at home.
Oh, okay. This is the vegetarian version of combination. What's the name of it again?
I forgot it.
Oops. Okay. Something with potato. So this is
They're all
potato with cauliflower, potato with kale, potato with carrot, and onions, I think.
Mine is normal
And then
potato.
Uygar has
This is
the
beef one.
yes, beef version.
This is carrot. And this is kale again.
Yes, and then we have some sauces to try. Smells really good.
Let's dig in.
Yep. Enjoy.
Gel biz fotoğrafımızı çekeyim burada.
activity of today is a boat tour after the Rijksmuseum. They are very tired. Oh, we're still going. Museum is here. We just saw this boat tour place. It's gonna depart in 5 minutes. You can charge your phone, which is good. They have this audio guide thing that you can use on your phone. And this is us. These are the houses on the canal. Very pretty. Everyone has a backyard, a little garden.
It's not small or anything. But it
No,
goes
it's
on
quite
like
large,
that,
yeah.
quite large.
Oh, interesting.
Mansions on the Herrengracht. The Kaisersgracht was solidly middle class, while the Prinsengracht had a more industrial atmosphere. Of the three canals, the Prinsengracht was the only one that connected directly to the harbor, and its low sides were designed for loading and unloading cargo.
And so, the farther you live from the city center, the lower your social class.
Yes, we are gonna go into this Red Light Secrets Museum to see what it's like.
Yeah,